download my free legato course right now and learn to play fast in the fastest way possible. It's 4 core exercises that you need to focus on in order to reach the highest level of mastery. And then I'm going to give you the 3 sub-skills of legato. Once you master these 3 little skills, then the overall skill of playing very fast runs using hammer-ons and pull-offs will be very easy. So go sign up right now and get immediate access for free. See you in the course. Hello, we have a nice track in A minor here, involving different chords. But anyway, we can use our A minor pentatonic across all the chords. But we have to use our ear to do it. This is the second chord, D minor, we're on now. Then comes G. Still A minor pentatonic. Then E major, which is the dominant for A minor. This is a bit hard. And then back to A. But still, it's a little bit hard to hit that E major there, so we're going to do something else, as you probably guessed. We're going to try to focus on playing the pentatonic scale of each chord. We just had the A pass by as I was talking. Now we have the D, so I'm going to play D minor pentatonic. Then comes the G, so I'm going to play G major pentatonic. Right? Then comes the E, so I'm going to play E major. And then A minor. And you can even play the first position of each of these chords. So you can just go from A to D up here. Right? We got G there, so you go to E minor pentatonic. Major here, which is the same as D flat minor, and then back to A. So that's a solution. So you can still use your pentatonic scales, even though we're in a melodic rock or melodic context here, where all the chords are based on the diatonic scale or the natural minor / major scale. Let's do something else. We can play the arpeggio of each chord and then have that be our chord, and then still play the A natural minor underneath that. So I could play. It's G now, G major arpeggio. Here comes E, so I'm going to. Right? So I'm just going to try and play across the whole chord progression and then use the A natural minor or C major scale, same thing. And then I'm going to target the notes of each chord. So I play A minor, then I play the D minor, then I have the G major, and then I have the E major. So I'm just going to play A natural minor all the way, except for the E, because that's the dominant, and the dominant in a major context will have you change the natural minor to the harmonic minor. So I'm going to go from natural minor and change that one note and go to A harmonic minor when we get to the E. And I'm going to focus on the chord notes too. And you can do that by just laying out the stuff in a little place on the neck and then just play around with the concepts instead of trying to do it across the neck. Or you can move the same arpeggios up and down and transpose them like that. Or your pentatonic shapes. Do the same thing we just did. So let's just try and follow all the arpeggio shapes. The notes of the chord in the background while I use A natural minor on the first 3 chords, and then I change that natural minor to harmonic minor and focus on the E major chord, or the notes of the E major chord. minor. G major, sorry. And then we have the E. Harmonic minor. So that's very effective. Lastly, I'm going to play the F diminished over the E instead of the E major, which is a really awesome little combination we had in the last jam track too. So let's just try and do that. Here we have the E. And then we have the E now, diminished. A harmonic minor. And back to A again. So let me use all the tools now, the pentatonic. Get that sound. Let's use the E or D minor triad. Let's use the G major pentatonic. And then diminished for the E there. And harmonic minor. Right? So have fun with it, and remember to just take a little piece of it. Just play around with one tool at a time so you don't get overwhelmed. It's supposed to be fun all the way. So never take on anything that makes you go, where's the notes? Right? So only 2 strings in a very secluded place on the neck if that's necessary for you to have fun. So, 5.